Oza ma'am. Ma'am is a senior project manager at Lakshme with a mission to help women achieve financial independence through literacy and awareness. Musa Doshi ma'am, a seasoned professional and community engagement executive at Lakshme.
So first of all, I would like to thank Marwadi University for giving us this opportunity and to Forum Ma'am and all the organizing committee to take this initiative towards financial literacy for women. So, anyone know who is this? This is Mr. Sushil Kumar. So Sushil Kumar won 5 crore rupees in KBC 5. But soon in a year or two, Sushil Kumar went bankrupt just because he was not able to manage his own money. A contrasting example of Mr. Warren Buffett. So Mr. Warren Buffett started investing at the age of 11. He knew the basics of finance. He knew the basics of what is personal finances. He started investing at the age of 11, and by the age of 60, when it was time for him to retire, he gained 94% of his wealth. So personal finance basically means how do you manage your own money in layman terms. So there are many myths associated with that, where many people are scared just because of this so-called afwai which are attached to that.
So if you are investing your money in bank and if something happens to bank, then up to rupees 5 lakhs are secured with your bank. So we have understood the importance of personal finance. Now what are the actionable from our side? It means keeping a track of your expenses and identifying your needs and wants. Japanese are very famous for living minimalistic life, and they used to follow this interesting technique called kakibu. Whenever we are spending through credit card now, we tend to spend more. Why? उस टाइम बिल जनरेट नहीं होता है, बिल बाद में आता है, right? But after all, we have to pay that amount. Now, what do we mean by smart goal planning? Specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-based. What are the parameters which I need to consider before investing my money? Now we have understood the importance of investing, parameters to consider investing. But what about the silent thief, inflation? Have health and term insurance. This is very important thing. Usually experts says that we are just one hospitalization away from being bankrupt. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Now strategic moves for your 20s. What we have to do in our 20s. This will also work as a ready reckoner for you. So first, learn the basics of personal finance. This is the need of an hour. Nowadays, even government has also started including this as a subject in school. Now here we have given a few red flags which we don't have to do. Everybody is buying this stock, now let me also buy. I will buy out of FOMO. Now we will have one short video here. And this is the case of Mr. Surya Prakash. Whatever we learned today, this is the real life case of Mr. Surya Prakash. So how he has planned his financial goal in a way so that he will be able to achieve all his dreams. Let's have a look at this video.
Investing in real estate is a...
I request each and everyone to please fill the feedback form for today's session. Your feedback is very important for us, and thank you so much for having me here today. And till the time, you can ask me any questions if you are having any questions. Now what will be your next step after having this session?
Identify a good asset to invest in.
Now we at Lakshme also provide one-on-one free sessions. So if somebody is having any doubt on any financial concept, they can book the session from our website.